Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to a hardware wallet. So transferring XRP from Robinhood to a hardware wallet is quick and simple. So what you're going to do is start by connecting your hardware wallet to your phone or laptop, and then just open the dashboard website or the companion application. And then you just really have to log in, then click on the receive button on the sidebar, and then a window will appear asking for you to select a cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So you just really have to choose XRP from the drop down menu, and then click continue and confirm the request by connecting your hardware wallet. And then you'll then be able to copy your wallet address by clicking on the copy button or the copy icon. And then next, just open your Robinhood application and then click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And then just type in XRP in the search bar. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!